Anyone that you know of? Okay, and among those groups, how many of you know that there's an office for Alameda County, a group of attorneys that can advise homeowners so that they don't lose their house? It's part of that reason that I'm happy to be here today, because our office does exactly that. We're a group of attorneys that are working on behalf of homeowners, on behalf of tenants and properties, where they're facing foreclosure. We explain your rights, we explain the options that you have to stay in the house, and to just maintain stable and reliable housing. So,
好，那今天呢，接下来这个呢，就是讲到说法拍屋子被银行法拍。那不晓得在座的有没有人知道说从你的朋友或者是邻居，他们的因为房贷付不出来，然后或者是因为工作的关系或其他的因素，至于房子要被银行给收回而被法拍。如果您知道有这样的情形的时候，或者是您可能自己本身，或者是您的家人会面对这样的问题，事实上在Alameda County 有这样子一个政府的单位，那本身我们的 presenter 他自己也是一个律师，这个单位这个 office 是专门为民众来提供法律的咨询，它让您知道说，即使银行要把您的屋子收回法拍之前，您有什么样子的权利？那他们会告诉你说，教导你怎么样来跟银行来谈条件，然后怎么样来处理这个后续的事情。所以我相信这个在现在的这个经济状况之下，很值得大家用心来听。所以请大家能够专心在这个上面。
So, just to start off, I wanted to talk about a few concepts that are very important to the process of foreclosure and that come up a lot. I'm sure you're all aware of what foreclosure is, which is essentially when the bank takes back a property it begins a legal process in which the homeowner can lose their house to foreclosure.
那我们首先他要用来教我们认识几个专业的术语。那第一个当然讲到 foreclosure， 这个就是说被法拍。什么叫做法拍？法拍就是说，当我跟银行贷款我还不出来的时候，银行变成第一顺位的拥有者，那银行有权利把这个房屋给拿回去。那所以呢，变成就是法拍，银行就会跟法院申请强制执行收回这个所有权。所以 foreclosure 这个字就叫做法拍。
Another important concept, we're actually still on the back slide, the first one. Another important concept is just that of who the owner of the property is. There's a lot of situations where one spouse may be on the title, the other spouse may be on the loan, or maybe a relative is on the loan. But as far as saving your house and avoiding foreclosure, it's important to know that there are differences to the rights that you have depending on whether your name is on the title, on the loan, or on both or neither.
那我们讲到法拍的时候，我们还要讲到 owner， 就是所有权人。那什么是所有权人？这里还要讲到两点，一个是 name on title， 就是说这个房子的名下，房屋名下是谁？然后呢，还有贷款的名字又是谁？因为可能买了这个房子，比如说买了这个屋子，这个屋子的名字所有权人可能是我，然后贷款的人可能是我的先生。或者是甚至可能是这个名字所有权人是我跟我先生，可是贷款人可能是我婆婆也不一定，所以这个签署就有不同的法律上的利害关系，所以一定要搞清楚。当提到这个 owner， 它的有两个层面的意思，我们要搞清楚，一个是 title， 名字在 title， 还有名字在贷款上。
Also, the concept of tenant is very central to foreclosure. If you're in a rental situation and you start to get notices that the house is going to go up to foreclosure, but you're neither the owner of title or the owner of the loan, then the bank will be looking at you as a tenant of the property. You do have protections and rights, but it's important to understand your role, especially if you're in a situation where you're renting and you're facing foreclosure.
那比如说我只不过是一个租屋者，我租了这个房子，但是这个房子的所有权人他付不起房贷了，那现在银行要来法拍他的时候怎么办？我会不会受影响？我只是租屋者，但是我有没有这个责任？所以这个也是我们要注意的地方。很多人都想，我只是租屋的，这个房子所有权不在我身上，错了，你也有关系，所以一定要注意听。
Now the next two concepts that I'm going to talk about, oftentimes people think are the same entity, but we're actually still on the same, we're on the back of the first screen. But that is the loan servicer and the lender. A lot of times when people go to get loans for their property, they understand that that is the person that's going to be holding on to their loan, and that's who you make your payments to. It's actually not quite the case. They're two different entities. So you may have gotten your loan from Washington Mutual, but your servicer, the person that you need to work directly with to avoid foreclosure, is the loan servicer, which could be Chase.
那我们都知道说除非你是现金买屋，否则的话你有贷款。那贷款就是 lender 和 loan servicers， 那他们是谁？他在你的法拍上面扮演的是什么样的角色？那就是说，当我去银行贷款，我可能是跟这家银行借了钱，但是这个银行它可能不是自己给我一个 loan， 它可能又是透过另外一个 service 来给我一个 loan。所以呢，当你面临法拍的时候，你要知道说，贷款借贷人谁借给你钱，那真正可是这笔钱是从哪一个 loan 出来的，那它就有这样子的区别。
And the last concept is the note holder or the investor. Now that's someone that you have probably not had any interaction with if you're a homeowner, but they are the ones that actually hold your loan and hold the debt and have the ultimate decision of whether you can modify your loan and probably stay in your house or not. So it's helpful to keep in mind that there's another party involved that you often won't work with directly that's going to affect what happens with your house.
还有另外一个情况之下，就是说所谓的 note holder 和 investor， 那就是说有些人呢，他不只是可能我的收入还有我付的头期款上面可能不够，我跟银行借贷，所以我可能还有向另外第三者来借钱，比如说亲戚朋友，我去借来周转，那他就是会变成你的 note holder。好，就是说我有另外就是所谓的二次房贷啦，或第三个房贷，就是我再去周边借来，那他就是有这个权利成为你的 note holder。
So now we're going to go into talking about the ways that someone can avoid losing their house to foreclosure. If you have a question at any time, please feel free to break in, but we'll just briefly discuss what everything is and what the processes look like.
那我们要再来进一步谈到，就是说不同类别和层级的，就是法拍的情况。那在他的讲解当中，因为这个比较复杂、比较困难一点，所以呢，他说他不介意，如果你有问题，随时都可以提出你的问题，他很乐意回答。
So the first option, if a person is in distress, and what I mean by that is if a person is late on their mortgage payments, if some situation has changed with your work where you're concerned that in the coming months you might not be able to make your mortgage, the primary option that was available to you now is loan modification.
那如果说有人或是你自己本身说，我下个月或者是这个月已经付不出我的房贷了，我该怎么样？我该怎么办？我的银行里面的存款不足以我付出这个房贷，我的下一个步骤可以怎么样做？那第一个步骤你可以考虑的就是 loan modification， 就是说怎么样来调整你这个贷款的金额。